The attic of the Al-Qatala townhouse was a gold mine. Looks like we found the wolf. Communications from the laptop were tracked to Ramaza Hospital in Urzikstan, where the Al-Qatala leader is believed to be holed up. Farah's forces will track terror activity at the hospital, while a Marine ground force can be mobilized to advance on the complex. Echo 3-1 will capture the wolf for interrogation about the stolen Russian gas.
Okay.
حتى كانوا عم يوصلوا جوا المستشفى بس هلا كريت الأمر.
ماشي خبي نعرف شو بيصير. My soldiers confirm that the hospital is under siege. Al-Qatala has taken civilians as human shields. They're protecting someone.
Or something.
Tomorrow we find out.
All clear, sister.
Hadir is my best sniper. You can rely on him. And all my fighters.
Marines want their pound of flesh. They're leading the charge on this.
I told you we would help you.
And you're keeping your word?
I don't do this to keep my word. The invaders of my country have no regard for human life. The gas kills all things, even food and our gardens. If you use these tactics, you are my enemy.
No exceptions?
None. Al-Qatala has given my people a bad name, and we have paid dearly for their crimes. I want to see the wolf punished.
I'll make sure you're at the embassy for the handoff to Price.
And you? Where will you go when this is over?
Wherever they send me.
You don't choose.
Not exactly.
Rest up. Tomorrow's a big day.
What about you and your men?
Tomorrow.
We'll be here until sunrise.
I'll cover the open corner.
The hospital is at the end of the road.
Half a click. I'll be hoofing it with the Marines.
Echo 3-1.
Sergeant Griggs.
All day.
Call me Alex.
No locals on this one. Not my call. You Kareem?
All day.
Nice work hitting the Russians.
We share friends and enemies.
Pitfali. Bashufak. Anarib.
Roll, Alex. Damon Dogs, time to take this shit to the fan. You'll find this a target-rich environment. Watch the windows. Good guys look like bad guys around here. Shit's fucked up.
Northbound at checkpoint Omaha.
Clean up an aisle 6, baby.
Got trip wires on the alcove, Sergeant.
What's the word, 3-1? Can you disarm it?
Check. On it.
Clear. Damon, ribbon's cut. Let's move. Follow the armor and stick close.
Kaboom.
Let's move! Get cover! MG 12 o'clock! Blue building! 3rd floor!
Pop smoke and flame. Up the high side. Lighting up that mess from here won't cut it. No smoke and go.
Fuck, what? Hardcore movement, no?
MG 12 o'clock! Blue building! 3rd floor!
Enemy vehicle rolling in.
Watch wall! West! Rush! I see him! Man, to our west! Watch that! Take off that gun. Roger that, Griggs. First deck, clear.
Clear.
3-1, moving to second deck. Copy 3-1. Watch yourself. Clear. Moving to third deck. Get there and
Clear. MG clear.
clear. Copy that. All teams rally with the convoy.
Good job,
Demon
guys.
1-2 to Red Hammer 7. Request immediate suppression. Over.
Roger, Demon 1-2. Hammer is visual on that position. Target is acquired. Stand by for danger.
Overhead ordnance coming out on this bridge.
South.
Got smoke grenades if you're out, Echo. Incoming!
Yeah. Sabugan ba naman ng Bradley tsaka ano?
Demon 1-2. Red Hammer 7. Target destroyed. Vector is clear. I repeat, vector is clear.
All Demon Dog, road is clear. You are green to get some. Hospital lobbies are entry point.
Hospital entrance is visual. Appears to be fortified. All demons, move in.
Shit. Friendly for other.
Got a target.
Move! Move! Move up!
They're moving through the lobby. No visual. Got a target. Pin it down. Got a target 30 meters away.
All stations, lobby secure. No sign of the wolf. Demons are on the hunt.
Let's bag this son of a bitch, Griggs.
Long as we take them alive, 3-1.
Roger that.
What about resupply point? Man.
Civilians, check fire!
Shit! Who the fuck is who in here?
Check your shot! Keep it tight!
Get moving!
They're moving 20 meters out!
No visual! Get moving! Got one by the counter!
Got a target! They're moving!
Got it! Enemy north of our position! Got a runner!
way.
All stations, demons are moving to second deck. No sign of the wolf.
They're trying to keep us away from something.
That's for damn sure.
Place is a freaking war.
Could be an ambush. Check them. All of them.
Verjuni, a Dakon.
I'm not fucking...
Demon 3, this is 1-2. What's your status?
Ente, fa idek.
Get down!
Gunner! Point on this 3-1. Clear! 1-2 to Demon 3. How copy?
Demon 3 dropped off, Sergeant.
Shit. Find them! Move out! Push up! Got extra smoke if you need it, 3-1. Pop! Cover and move! Enemies whistle! Enemies moving! Reloading! Got a target! Can't hit that. Got a runner! Clear. God, nicely done, Echo.
My fucking pleasure, Sergeant.
You got any word from Demon 3?
Nothing, Sergeant.
Get eyes in that room.
Roger. Cam set.
Your men cannot save you. You were...
PID on the wolf. 3 Marine hostages. He's gonna kill him. We got a breach.
Flank him from the rear. I'll take the main. Alex, take the window. Find a way around.
Copy that.
Door ahead.
Briggs, we're heading inside. Stand by. Hold.
What? Tripwire.
Door ahead.
Briggs, we're heading inside. Stand by.
We are happy
Hold.
to shed blood.
What are you waiting on, 3-1? Demons set on 3. Get up there.
Putik.
Door ahead.
Briggs, we're heading inside. Stand by. Hold.
Shed
Demon set.
blood.
Take this animal alive, Alex. Don't shoot him.
Because
Get him on the
blood
ground.
shed in revenge is always...
Clear! We got you, brother man. You're all right. You good, Alex?
Good, Griggs. Omar Suleiman, you are now in custody of the Special Operations Force. Do exactly as you're told, or you're a dead man.
Hell yeah. All demon teams, Marines are secure. Wolf is in the bag. Let's move him to the embassy.
on the third deck for RV. Be advised, primary entry point is clear, but that window is rapidly closing.
Roger. Well down in 3 mics. 2-6 out.
3 minutes.
In 3 minutes, my people will be inside. They will kill all of you.
I chose to take you alive. I can still change my mind.
You have the wrong man.
Lies! Tell them what you've done.
We did not steal the gas.
Who did?
Someone very dangerous.
Where is it?
I wish I knew.
The butcher is outside. They'll burn the city if they have to.
Save yourself, daughter. Join us.
Do not talk to her.
Hey, tap the brakes.
I am not your child, old man. I lead soldiers. You train killers.
But we are all killers here. No?
Bro, no.
They're gonna breach.
Gonna stop here.
now. 3-1-2-6, shots fired. Move to secure the HVI, will advise.
Copy 3-1. Bravo's on